Hello students, let's go through program 9 in Web Internet Programming Lab. The ninth program is Design XML document with DTT specification to store information about student in engineering college affiliated to VTU. The information must include USN, name of the college, branch, year of joining, and email ID. Make up sample data for 3 students, and we have to create a CSS style sheet and use it to display the document. So this program says we have to create an XML document. Earlier, we were creating a HTML document, but here we are going to create an XML document. The expansion for XML is extensible markup language, and it has used to store and transform data. So using HTML, we already have predefined tags, but whereas in XML, we don't have any predefined tags. This is all user-defined tags. So using HTML, so we are going to collect student informations like USN, name of college, branch, year of joining, email ID, and then we are going to make it as an XML document. So we are going to collect for 3 students. After making it as an XML document, we need to apply style to the document using cascading style sheet to display the document in a neat manner. So this cascading style sheet will be the as an external file. So the external file link will be given to the XML document. So here to execute this program, first you have to open a notepad, then type the program and save it as .xml. Earlier we were saving it as .html, but now here we are going to save it as .xml because we are going to create an XML document. So the XML document will be always starting question mark XML, version is 1.0 and encoding UTF-8, which is a encoding byte, encoding character. Okay, so now here there are 2 programs to be executed. The first program to create an XML document, and the second program, the name of the second program is VTU1.css, means we are going to apply the style properties to the XML document. So the styling properties we are going to create in a separate document and name it as for file name .css, and this file name should be linked to the XML document using a href. Here you can see here href is equal to the file name .css. Then what are the style properties you have defined there in your CSS program? Here you can see in the CSS program will be implemented for the XML document which you have created. Like what is the color of your USN, what is the font size of the USN, what is the color to be given to your name, what is the font size of the name, everything will be given to your XML document once you link this file with the XML document. So now we'll see how to execute the program. So to execute this program, you have to save the file name and save it as .xml. There will be 2 programs. One is to create an XML document. Another is to create a CSS program which will apply styles to the XML document. So you have to start the XML document and you have to collect the student details, sample details for 3 students. So what all the details you need to collect is given in the question. That is, since it is an XML document, we are using a user-defined tag. The VTU is a user-defined tag and student is also the user-defined tag. USN, name, college, branch, year of joining, email, all are user-defined tags. So once you open all the tags and it has to be closed. Okay. So the details for 3 students is collected here, and each student details Now, after creating using XML, we have to apply styles. The style is applied using cascading style sheet. So this file will be saved as an external style sheet. So here you can see USN, we have this USN. So this USN, the color of USN is magenta and font family is Verdana and font size is 20 point. Okay, so likewise for each and every field we are going to give the color styling property, and that styling property will be reflected in your XML document. So the college is here, branch is here, year of joining, email. So for all the field of your XML document, you will be giving the color properties. So, and you will get the output like this. So these are the student details which you have created using the XML document and saved it as .xml, and then the styling property you have created as external style sheet and saved as .css, and the styling properties incorporated and implemented in your XML document. Okay, so now see how we will be executing this program. So you have to go create a folder, and then you have to save the program as .xml. Okay, so you can see here .xml files will be look like this. Okay, whereas you can see other programs, I've saved it as .html, so it is looking browser will helps to execute here, but XML files it will be looking like this, and then you have to create a separate notepad, and then you have to type the CSS program and name it as vtu1.css. So when you open this program, let me show you notepad. Okay, so here you can see I have linked the external file, that is vtu1.css, to the particular XML document using a hrefs. Okay, so once you have linked with this, then only the style properties will be applied to the details of the students which you have given in your XML document, right? And then you have to execute the double click on the XML file, then you can see the output. Okay, then you can see the output. So the output will be just applying the style to the XML document. So this is your final output. Okay, so thank you. I hope you have understood the program number 9. That is, you are going to create a two file. That one is XML document and another one is to apply the styles to the XML document. XML document will be saved as .xml, and the styling document will be saved as .css. We have to give the name of the styling file to the inside your XML document. So the style properties will be applied to the XML document. Thank you.